Howdy everybody, happy Friday. I'm Walt Cameron.
And I'm Stephanie Cameron.
And we're the publishers of Edible New Mexico magazine. And welcome to episode 4 of the 5 Minute Friday. This week, we're eating Laguna Burger. We're digging into our CSA and talking Texas Q with 4 times James Beard Award winner Cheryl Alters Jamison. But first, we're going to do this.
All right, gonna dig into the CSA and get some good ideas for recipes. We've got green garlic and some red butter lettuce. We've got Swiss chard. I'll tell you what to do with this. The new digital edition that we just released has the most amazing recipe for Swiss chard red chili enchiladas. Incredible. And with the spinach, latest recipe released on our website, you can make mustard spatzel. Some tomatoes, some cheese, from tucumcari, asparagus, and potatoes. We love our New Mexico Harvest.
We're going to get our burger on. Let's go get some Laguna. We got our Laguna Burger. Got back from Laguna Burger. Take it out of the trash. There's 5 of us. That's good. That's really good.
Hi, girls. Yeah, come on out. That's chicory chicken.
That's always a nice present.
Yeah.
We're doing Edible New Mexico today. I'm coating our spare rib rack in a dry rub. Coarse ground pepper, kosher salt, some paprika, and a little bit of cayenne, kick up the heat a bit. And then I just was putting in some brown sugar. I wanted to do that at the end so it didn't dry out here. And then you just mix all these together. Coat these very thoroughly. This is some Kyzer pork from Albuquerque. This came from Dr. Feelgood's butcher shop too. All right. We're ready to put our spare ribs in the smoker, dry rubbed. I have some cider vinegar with some Worcestershire sauce in it. So we just spritz it a bit. Smoking over hickory today. We're smoking in a way called 3-2-1. It's gonna be 3 hours, more or less. Then we're going to cover them in foil for about 2 hours, uncover them and put the sauce on and let them sit in the smoker for another 30 minutes to an hour at the end. Then we're gonna be ready to eat. For the spare ribs today, because we're making East Texas style, we're going to have a nice saucy mixture in our sauce, a tomato base, and then it has molasses in it. We have a little bit of Tabasco, some of that. Oh heck. Some onion powder. This doesn't need hours of simmering. It really just needs to come together. Hot links. I'm gonna get the stovetop smoker ready for this. Hickory wood, basically sawdust in this case. Hot links are from Dr. Feelgood. Don't those look good? Close this up. Well, almost close it up. We want to see the smoke begin to rise. Once we have smoke, I'm going to turn this down just a little bit to about a medium heat. That should be enough to smoke this really nicely. And we'll have smoky hot links in just a few minutes. We are making our potato salad dressing here. I fried up some bacon, and in the bacon drippings, we're gonna mix some Dijon mustard and some mayonnaise. And into that, I'm gonna toss the potatoes this way. Big chunky potatoes. Some scallions. Oh, we need a little black pepper. And the bacon. Gotta have bacon. The secrets for this is that combination of the bacon drippings with the mayonnaise and then Dijon mustard. That's all ready to go. Ready to take out our spare ribs. Ooh, look at that smoke. Ooh. Wonderful. Yeah. Our hot link should be ready. The stovetop smoker. Gotta come next, huh? The casings are so crispy. Ooh. Who's ready for dinner?
We're digging in. Oh. Get that big one. That's so good.
This is my new book, Texas Q. It's 100 recipes on the old art of barbecue, but also lots of new things you can do with the tastes of Texas today, which includes Vietnamese and Korean and lots of African American influences in the food that we have not recognized properly before. You'll learn all the steps, all the equipment, everything you need to be fired up.
That's it for this episode. Be safe and be well.